After you've installed the plugin, you need to head to the settings page. Then you'll be prompted to get an API key. You need an API key so our system authorizes your domain name. Otherwise, you'll be getting errors. Here you can request the API key by entering your email address here. And you need to sign up or log in if you have an account. And you have the API key. Copy it to paste it here. And you need to decide which files you want optimized. Images, JavaScript, CSS, or fonts. And we can leave images selected. Let's go to pages. Let's create a home page. Let's publish the page. Let's right click to see where the image is coming from. So the plugin is correctly working because it's loading from our servers. The very first request is going to be redirected back to the original because we don't have the optimized file. But after that, it should be working just great. I'm going to refresh the page. And the image loads just fine. If you have any questions or suggestions, please visit statopt.com. Have a great day.